IVF or in-vitro fertilization, commonly known as testube baby, is an assisted reproductive technology procedure when the eggs of the woman are removed outside her body. They are fertilized with her husband's sperm, and the resulting embryo is then put back in the uterus, where if a pregnancy occurs, it will grow and lead to the delivery of a child. The first baby born through this procedure was Louise Brown way back in 1978. Today, estimates suggest that more than 8 million babies have been born through this procedure all over the world. Louise Brown also recently became pregnant on her own and delivered a child. It tells us that babies born through IVF are as healthy and as normal as a naturally conceived child. Let me take you through the basic steps of the IVF procedure. It begins by a thorough examination and evaluation of both the partners. The wife is then given hormonal injections to stimulate her ovaries to produce more eggs. This is monitored with the help of regular sonography and, if required, certain blood tests. Once it is thought that the eggs or the follicles in which they develop are of the right size, these are removed from the body with the help of sonography under a very short procedure using general anesthesia. Once the eggs are removed, they are then fertilized with the husband's sperm and allowed to develop in the laboratory for up to 5 days, resulting in the formation of embryos. Out of all the embryos that have been formed, 1 or a maximum of 2 good embryos are selected, and these are inserted with the help of a very fine catheter back into the uterus. Any extra good quality embryos can be frozen and preserved for further use. Now in IVF, 50,000 sperms are put together with one egg, and one of them fertilizes the egg on its own. This causes problems in some cases. Either the eggs might fail to fertilize, or in some cases the husband's sperm count is so low that even 50,000 sperms cannot be found. So for such cases, we have another procedure called ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Now this is a procedure where a single sperm is selected and that single sperm is injected into the eggs. So this ensures that the sperm enters the egg, and it helps in improving the possibility of having fertilized eggs and subsequently embryos.